day at 1 p.m. a new post is posted on my Facebook page with the captions, with the hashtags, and also with the images. And my audience is so in shock that how I am so consistent with my posting. No, I do not do this manually anymore. I have simply set it up an amazing automation for my Facebook page, and automatically every day at 1 p.m. this automation starts using Gemini, generates the content and the image and post it on my Facebook page automatically. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also set up daily Facebook post automation for your own Facebook page. And the main important thing over here is that you can try this for free today and post approx 100 posts for free. So let's see how this can be done. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. You can create this automation for free and try it for free for your own Facebook page. And then once if you like Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Further, I'll just let you know how you can apply that discount coupon code. Okay, so watch this video till the end to learn this. So to do this, you just have to first of all open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have triggered an action in this. Without getting into technical details, let me just show you how you can create this automation. So click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as schedule by Pabbly. For the event, select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect button. It is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So select it as every day right over here and choose the time at which you want to post every day. Then click on this save. So easy, right? Your workflow is now scheduled for every day 1 p.m. Now using your favorite AI tool, just generate the caption. For that, click on this add new action step. I'm just going to use Gemini. So let me just search for Gemini and select the same. For the event, I'm just going to choose it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you have not connected Gemini with Pabbly Connect yet, click on this add a new connection. It is going to ask you for the API key. For that, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section and then create API key button. Just name your key, choose the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Then click on this save and your Google AI Studio will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to go on this select existing connection and then save. Once you're going to click on the save, it is going to ask you for the text, which is the prompt using which it is going to generate the caption. So let me just simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow. As you can see that this is the whole prompt which I have entered right over here. In this prompt, I've mentioned all the details as brand information, industry details, target audience, all the instructions which I want, all the requirements, writing style and the emojis that can be used. Also, I've mentioned in this prompt that strictly stick to the tone of my own brand. Apart from that, I've mentioned all the details using which I want to generate the caption. Like I want to generate the new caption every day which should be unique, so that's the reason I've mentioned all the details right over here. Apart from that, if you also want this amazing prompt, you just have to comment caption and I'll share you this caption prompt. Okay, and then what you can do is you can simply give this prompt to any AI tool like Gemini and ChatGPT, and you can simply ask that AI tool to generate a prompt like this for your own business too, and it is going to do the same. After this is done, then you are good to go. Just paste that prompt right over here. Now for the model, choose the model of your choice. I am just going to use it as Gemini 3 Flash Preview, and over here for the method, I'm just going to use it as generate content. You can choose any another of your choice. The model, the method will be generate content only in every case. After that, you just have to click on the save and send test request button, and over here we have received the response. In this response, we have received this caption, which is your wardrobe feeling a bit uninspired lately? And you can see the rest of the caption, also the hashtags. Now using this caption and the hashtags, we're just going to generate the images. For that, click on this add new action step. Once again, search for Gemini right over here, because I'm just going to use the same in order to generate the images. For the event, select it as generate and edit image nano banana and click on this connect. We have recently connected Gemini, so just click on this select existing connection and then save. Once again, it is asking for the model. So in order to generate the images, you have to search for nano banana and choose a model from this. I'm just going to choose it as nano banana 2. For the method, select it as generate content, and now for the prompt, I am just going to simply copy this image prompt 2. So let me just open my last workflow and copy this image prompt 2 right over here. If you also want this image prompt, you just have to type image in the comment section and I'll share you the image prompt there. Once again, you can give this to Gemini and ask it to convert it for your own business or for your own Facebook page. Now in this image prompt, we're just going to mention the caption so that it can generate us the image relevant to the caption, right? So for that, I'm just going to simply enter the caption, but over here, we're not going to enter the caption manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map this data, you just have to put a slash and then search for the data which you wish to map. Like for the caption, just select caption right over here, and we have successfully mapped the caption. Then we are good to go. It is saying uploaded file URL and the image URL. So if you want to edit some specific image and then upload it, for that this is useful, but in our case this is not relevant, so leave both of this as blank and click on the save and send test request button. Once you click on the save and send test request button, it is going to take a few seconds and then it is going to generate you the image. So let's just wait for a few seconds, and you're going to see after a few seconds it has given me the positive response and it has successfully generated me the image. Over is the file URL, so let me just copy it and open it in a new tab to check the image, and yes, it looks perfectly fine. If you feel the image is not perfect, what you can do is you can simply click on the save and send test request once again so that you can receive another image. Okay, what happens, sometimes it is not going to get you the accurate or the perfect image, so you can just edit the prompt in order to get the perfect image like you want. As you can see, we have received another image, so let me just check this one too, and you're going to see this looks much better. So let me just use this one only. Okay, so let me just go back and now let's just post it on our Facebook. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Facebook and you're going to see multiple actions of Facebook. So you have to go and choose this Facebook pages. For the event, select it as create page photo post and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Now you have to make sure that a Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. So once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue button and your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. It is very easy. That's the reason we advise that every account should be logged in before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy. For the page, as you can see, the name of my page is Trend Hive Clothing, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. So let me just search for the same and select it. For the photo URL, I'm just going to put a slash, map the response of Gemini where we have the photo URL. Then for the description, I'm just going to put a slash, map the response of Gemini where we have the caption, and click on the save and send test request button. Now you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our Facebook page. So let me just open my Facebook page and you're going to see this was the last post, but now when I'm just going to refresh this, you're going to see yes, a new post is posted right over here. As you can see, we have this caption, we have the hashtags, we also have the image right over here, and like this every day at 1 p.m. this automation is going to run. Using Gemini, it is going to generate the image, the caption, the hashtags, and post it on my Facebook page. So go and try this amazing automation for your own Facebook page too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips everyone. Till then, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. If you want the prompts, just comment the image and the caption, and I'm just going to share you the relevant prompt, whatever you comment according to that. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.